Hello, I am a Bullis Student Tutor, and I'm going to be helping you find music and photos for the screencast that you will be making. So, first off, I like to use YouTube to find all of my audio files or music. I use this URL, or you can access it through your YouTube channel. And then you go down to my channel and then click on Create, and then you have an assortment of different audios that you can use. So you can select genres, you can select moods, so you have a wide variety. And then see if you like this one, and then there's sound effects as well that you can choose from. And then once you find the correct one, then you can download that and then use that for your screencast. Now with the photos, unfortunately, you cannot just simply type in your subject and then use any photo. You'll have to go down to Tools, Usage Rights, Labeled for Reuse. And then you can use any of these photos. These are all fair game. And then again, if you search for a different topic, it will stay under the same setting. And that's it.